hear more about the governor's report from emergency headquarters, but right now we're going live with Jim Derrick in the field. Jim?
Thanks, Dan. As you can see, the blizzard of 2017 is wrapping its way around us right now. There's a double-barrel low headed right over Franklin, and right now I can really feel the effects. Right now, I would say we're estimating, let me get my boots here, maybe you can zoom in, you can see the boot. That's the Justin work boot, the official work boot of the 2017 season. I'm going to say we're darn near 11 inches of snow out here, Dan. I'm sorry, we're breaking up. I'm going to have to go to the full headphones. There, I can hear you now. I apologize, it is absolutely howling out here. People are not using the roadways at all. As you can see, there's neighbors out here, and I want to take you over here to show you one thing quickly. As you can see, we've got some beach grass over here, and the snow is just absolutely, you can see the direction of the wind. This can normally withstand up to 70-mile-an-hour wind, and you can see it's all but toppled over. And I do want to bring you back here for a minute, Dan, if you could, just bear with me. I'm a little out of breath, a little out of shape. We've got a Weber grill here that's seen its last days, in my opinion. This blizzard is unrelenting and absolutely blowing hard. I'm going to say 50, 60-mile-an-hour winds. We probably got 14 inches of snow. And I do want to alert all our viewers that Lagunitas is the official beer of the 2017 blizzard seasons. So when you're thirsty, drink a Lagunitas, my friends. Stay thirsty. Back to you, Dan.
Thank you, Jim. Stay safe out there.